Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. This 8 into 10 inch cotton canvas and my variety of brushes I am going to use for this painting. So in the first step we are going to cover the background with this blue color. I am mixing up the teal blue and the primary blue for this blue shade. You can also use navy blue or night blue for this, and I want to have a gradation of blue for this painting. So I want to have a dark shade of blue on the top of the canvas, and in the middle of the canvas I need only a lighter shade of blue. So I am mixing white to it, and after this I am going to splash some paint gently on the canvas. Take your any old toothbrush and gently splash some colors on the canvas. So I am splashing the white color for the stars in the sky. Now let's jump into the second step. For the mountains, I am using the same blue color we used for the sky, and I am using my flat brush to cover the mountains. So first we need a mountain in this blue, and another range of mountains we need in a dark shade of blue. So I have been mixing the color blue and black to have this darker shade of blue, and I am using my flat brush to cover the mountains. I am using the same color for the remaining land in this part, and once we finish this we are going to paint this the glowing bottle in this painting. So for that we need the color orange. So I have been mixing the color yellow and red to have a orange color. So I am using my makeup brush, gently apply the color, and you have to remember that the background is completely dry so that you can apply the color. If not, you will meet some struggle. Once this layer is completely dry, I am going to apply another layer of orange color on this, and I am applying the color orange. And after this layer is completely dry, I am going to apply the color yellow on this. So always remember the previous layer must completely dry. And now we draw the bottles. I am using my detailing brush to paint the bottle, and for this glowing bottle effect we always need only the outline, not a full detail of this bottle. So I am using the color yellow to define the outline. And I'm using my old brush to blend the color with the background. It's not completely blend with the background, but somewhat it looks like it was blended with the background. Now let's paint the highlight of this bottle. So we need the color white to paint the highlight, and I'm using my detailing brush to paint the highlight. Now let's paint the fourth step, that is the butterflies and the fireflies. So for this we need some circle. For the butterflies we need a big circle, and the firefly we need some small circles, and I'm using my old brush to paint some circles. If you are not having this, and you can also use your round brush to paint some circles. After we done this, we are going to paint some grass around the bottle. So I am using the color orange for this grass, and I paint all the grass near the bottle. And the grass that are too close to the bottle is so bright. To demonstrate this, I am using the yellow color for this grass, and I paint some highlight for this. Now let's paint some grass using the color dark blue. there are more space in this canvas to paint more fireflies, so I'm painting some fireflies here, and we are going to paint the butterfly. So I'm mixing the color white with yellow and I'm painting the wings of the butterfly. We don't need the minute detail of a butterfly, one we need the outline of this butterfly. So once we done with this color yellow and white, we are going to add white color on the top of it. So we need to make it dry, and I'm adding some little fireflies here and there in this painting, and then we are adding the color white on the top of this yellow. And remember that you have to paint once the previous layer is completely dry. And now painting is done for this butterfly. Now I am adding some white color in the center of the small circle for the fireflies. So this makes the fireflies all glowing and so vibrant. So I am giving the color white in the center of the circles. Once we finished painting all the fireflies, we are going to add a tree on the sides. So I am using the color black and using my detailing brush to paint the branches. So we are going to cover these branches with the leaves. So I am using my old brush and just tip some paint on the canvas. I am not applying the paint, I am just tip the paint on this canvas. So this technique is very efficient to paint trees. And I'm painting trees on the other side of this canvas. And if you find my tutorials are very easy, please subscribe my channel and follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates. For in the final touch, I am splashing some yellow color around this bottle. After 4 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful painting. And please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting. And I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors and thanks for watching my video. If you are watching my video till the end, please let me know how much my tutorial is helpful to you. And thank you.